Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So let's go ahead and dive right into it, man. This market is insane. This market right here is going to create millionaires, 100,000aires. However you want, I don't even know if that's a word, but you get it. It's going to set some people up for generational wealth. So let's go ahead and kick it off and show you how VIP doing, man. Hey, y'all are amazing. Y'all going crazy. 800 bucks. Shout out to my guy. 800 bucks in 5 minutes. Thanks again, big brother Hayes. SPY levels on point today. Made a killing on puts. Then finished with a long call. Just joined. I did $434 a day. Just joined. 2,500 on Tesla. Let's go, fam. Let's go, fam. B, you nailed it. Let's go. $2,500, $3,000 a day, doctor money, 805 minutes. I don't know who making that. 400 the first day, and it just keeps going. Shout out to you, Jonathan. Coach B Hayes, you the motherfucking best ever. Great job to all you members. Up 160%, sniping between SPY calls and puts. Best day ever. Profits on SPY calls and puts. God is good. Great levels B, taking profits and calling it a day. Thank you, brother. And this just don't be one day like this. If I go yesterday, 3 days ago, last week, you know what I'm saying? We're going to continue to have, you know, a lot of success. If you want to join VIP, just go to my home page, click join. That exclusive tier is going to give you the hottest plays every day with every execution level to each one of those plays. Market context underneath. Weekly phone calls for 15 minutes to help you out. If you know, in a little rut. The tier before that is the next one that's available. They give you execution levels to the hot plays as well. But, you know, no phone calls and the extra perks as well. Man, SPY has been violent. I'm talking crazy. Right now it's at $736, down $2 on the day, 0.2%. Hey, if you're paying attention to my videos, to the words that's leaving my mouth, I told you exactly what was about to happen with SPY. At least in my opinion anyways. You feel me? Opinions be pretty valid though. Let's take a look. The main level that I'm looking for is SPY though. I can give some now too. It's just, you know, I like to do my homework and blah, blah, blah. But 738, 739, I want to see SPY reclaim that. If it reclaims it and hold above it and treat it as support, could be a good sign that this thing could, you know, start to head back up. If it can't reclaim, and then again, if it reclaims 738, 739, that could just be a quick spike because a lot of people watching that level to run up to 740s and then reverse it down, break 737, 738, break below 735, 734, and drop even lower, another $15, $20. So, like I say, that's just, you know, I'm just speaking of it. So now let's look at SPY and break it down. So that was on Sunday night when I said that. And then come Sunday pre-market and all that, and that Monday it ran up to 746. It's showing 744, but it ran up to around 745, 746 on Monday. A lot of people think, oh yeah, this reversal, the dip is out the way, which I was warning you about. No, that's, you know, it broke that key level 738, 738-ish. It blew past that to have you thinking, oh yeah, this is about to keep going up. Trap in some of those loans, run up to, like I said, run to the 740s. And then what? Reverse. And when I say reverse, what I say? Drop of $15, $20. So subtract 744 and subtract $20. What you get? About $724, right? 723, 724. And what you get today? what was the low today? 723. Hey, you probably think, hey, just be making this stuff up, man, but I don't. You can't tell me that, hey, that's insane. Like, and then they'll throw stuff in the news like this to have you thinking, I barely even pay attention to the news. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I check in, tap in to see, because it is an influence. Understand the difference between an influence and something that's actually making something happen. You know what I'm saying? Don't just, oh, the market fell today because right here, this is the headline. Stock market today, futures fall as U.S. launches strike against Iran. You will see something like this. They say this is why it failed. So it means tomorrow or whenever it should keep falling if they stay in this, right? But no, they'll mess up your brain and the market will end up skyrocketing in the mix of why you think it should be falling because you watching the headlines. I'm not telling you right now what it's gonna do. Like I'm saying, I'm reacting to the price that I'm giving you. I'm giving you the blueprint in VIP. Can I share an opinion? Yes. I believe we're right now in a pullback. The market is correcting itself, but the correction, you not really, thinking it's a correction because of how the market is snapping back. Every time it snapped back, think about on Friday when it had to sell off down to 730s and it snapped back on Monday. It didn't go back to the highs that was at, but it snapped back violently, multiple dollars. So you would think like, and then when it came down today, it made a lower low. So it's making lower lows, but the lower highs is extremely high. Meaning usually when the market sells off or correct itself, it's not going to snap back as violently as it is now. The market is just so volatile because it's so high. The market done ran up from its previous high of 637, 633. Don't quote me on the exact number. All the way past that to 750, wherever it went. You know what I'm saying? I don't got the exact number right now. I ain't looking for it. Just follow me. Up 100 and some change from its previous high. So with that type of run up, if you really home in on how crazy the market, how high it is right now, you understand that $30 drop, $20 drop, $15 drop is kind of like very likely. And then for it to snap back $10 and $12 and all that, but never go back to its previous high and continue to fall down. It got to breathe. So like I said, my opinion don't matter. What I'm saying in front of me matters. If SPY doesn't reclaim and hold above, I'm gonna give you this. I give the VIP, but I got to give you value here too, because I still got people that support the channel, support the page that's not in VIP yet. So let's talk about it. So if SPY doesn't go above and reclaim 737, 738, we're gonna give you 738. If we don't break above 738 and hold above it and buyers come in and defend that area, this bad boy is gonna drop, and it's gonna drop again lower. If it comes in, holds above 738, we're gonna see a pushback towards the 740s, right? But if it doesn't hold 738, break below it, stay below it, then break below 733 and 731, all hell break loose, back to the low 720s. And then from there, not putting a time or date on it, but if it never reclaims, continue to make lower lows, then the high 600s isn't going to be, too far-fetched. So you already know what to do, man. Like I say, lock in, aim small, miss small. Don't just jump out their head first. Give the market time to breathe and decide what it wants to do before you make your move. So you already know what to do, man. I love y'all. If you want to join VIP, I already told you what to do. Feel free to DM me, hit me up on Instagram at the BHayes Show _. Follow over there. Keep up with the updates and everything going on. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.